Thank you for buying the RockPro windshield repair system. The first thing that we need to do is move your car into the garage or a shaded place out of direct sunlight. Step 2. Use the push pin and clean out the pit, cleaning any loose glass out of the brake that may become an obstruction. Step 3. Connect the top part of the RockPro device to its base by twisting lightly. Step 4. Grab the cartridge and cut off tip using the razor blade provided.
Step 5 and 6.
Insert cartridge into the RockPro device, pushing the cartridge all the way down to the bottom. Replace top of the RockPro device and twist lightly until it is snug. Step 7. Take the wet nap out of the package and wipe all of the suction cups down. Step 8. Place RockPro device over pit and screw down clockwise until it touches the glass. After it touches the glass, continue to turn it 1/4 of a turn to make sure it has a good seal. Step 9. While holding the RockPro, turn the auger screw upwards counterclockwise about 3/4 of the way up and let it set for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the chip is as clear as you can get it. If this does not clear up, repeat the process until mostly clear. Step 10. When the chip is clear, then push down on the plunger, making sure to push all the way down. Step 11. Unlike Step 9, while holding the RockPro, turn the auger screw downwards clockwise all the way down and let set for 2 to 3 minutes or until the chip is as clear as you can get it. If it does not clear up, repeat the process until mostly clear. Step 12. When you are done working on the chip, move your car into direct sunlight to let it cure the resin. Make sure to let it set 1 to 2 minutes. Step 13. After the resin has cured, push the RockPro device out of the way and put 1 drop pit filler on the pit and cover it with 1 plastic tab. Let set 1 to 2 minutes. Steps 14 and 15. Remove tab. Take the razor blade and scratch off the excess pit filler until there is nothing left but a dot that used to be the pit. Clean the windshield with glass cleaner and a clean towel. Thank you for viewing. Please support us by visiting us at rockpro.info. Buy and share, please.